Set of faces number 1 for Tomy Trackmaster. Face number 1. Face number 2. Face number 3. Face number 4. Face number 5. Face number 6. Face number 7. Face number 8. Face number 9. Face number 10. Face number 11. Face number 12. Face number 13. Face number 14. Face number 15. And the last one, face number 16. Now these faces are good to make a custom Thomas variation. Remember, we all have like a 10 or 20 Thomases in our collections. These faces have the same size for Tomy and Revolution.